Handbag lover, then stop. Don't scroll because you're gonna love this video and all the handbags I'm gonna show you. These are the bags I got from the brand called Hot Sauce, and you're gonna love each and every handbag. Trust me. So, first, let's start with my favorite tote bag. The color is so beautiful. Just look at that color. It's so rich and warm and instantly brighten up any outfit, especially neutrals. What really stands out is the cushion quilting. It gives a very soft luxe feel while still looking modern and stylish. And you know what is the best part of this bag? Just wait. It's spacious, comfortable to carry, and perfect for those long days, whether you're working, traveling, or just stepping out for errands. This is one of those bags that feels as good as it looks. So, next is this brown leather handbag. This is pure classic elegance. I love this. The structured silhouette gives it a very polished look, and the deep brown shade makes it extremely versatile. You can carry this to a meeting, dinners, or even style it with an Indian wear for that refined touch. It's timeless, minimal, and the kind of a bag that never goes out of style. So, if you love luxury, this is a must. Now, this is the bag when you want to make a statement. Just look at it. Now, this bag is a showstopper. This embroidered statement bag is bold, stylish, and honestly very sexy. The mix of textures, the embroidery detailings, and that metallic claps makes it look extremely high end. This is not your everyday bag. This is a moment bag for those festive occasions and perfect for weddings or even a simple outfit where the bags do the talking. And now, finally, this mini clutch bag. This is such a classic piece. White bags instantly gives that clean, elevated feel, and this one is minimal, stylish, and very classy. The gold hardware adds just the right amount of elegance without being too loud. This bag is perfect for brunches, vacations, or day events, or even evening outings when you want something subtle but polished. This is so small, chic, and so classy, yet so versatile. So, these are my favorite handbags from the brand called Hot Sauce. Four different bags for every mood. Everyday comfort to bold statement pieces, there's a bag here for every occasion. Let me know in the comments which one you love the most, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!